Hello friends, I am Komal Yadav and today we are discuss the central nervous system. Central nervous system made up of the brain and spinal cord. Central nervous system, it is the body's processing system. Brain control the activities, that is the movement, thinking, awareness, speech and the five senses, that is smelling, tasting, feeling, hearing and seeing. Spinal cord is an extension of the brain. Brain also connect to the spinal cord. It is the part of brain. It's called as the brainstem. What are the parts of central nervous system? Nervous system is made up of the basic unit, that is the neuron. Neuron is carry the electrical and the chemical messenger to the brain. Tissue of the central nervous system is made up of the gray matter or white matter. Gray matter is made up of the neuron, blood cells, and the white matter is made up of the axon. Brain and spinal cord are covered with the cerebrospinal fluid and also the three layer of the membrane, that is called as the meninges. Now we discuss the brain. Brain is made up of a different part, that is the cerebrum, cerebellum, thalamus, hypothalamus and the brainstem. Cerebrum, it is the largest part of the brain. It controls the intelligence, memory, personality, emotion and speech and the ability to feel and move. Brain is divided into the two parts, that is the left hemisphere and the right hemisphere. Each hemisphere are divided into the four parts, that is the frontal lobe, temporal lobe, parietal lobe and the occipital lobe. Now we discuss the frontal lobe. It contains control movement, speech, behavior, mood, memories. Then the temporal lobe. It play important part in memory, hearing, speech. Parietal lobe play important part in taste, touch, temperature, pain. And the occipital lobes are important in it's able to see clearly. Thalamus move the information from lobe to the brain. It control the movement and the memories. Hypothalamus control the thirst, appetite, body temperature and the function. Discuss the spinal cord. Spinal cord are run along the full length of the back. It carry the information from brain to body. In spinal cord there are 31 pairs of the nerve. It's called as the spinal nerve. Along its length it connects to the peripheral nervous system and that runs through the muscle, skin and the joint. Central nervous system can be divided into the white and gray matter. Motor command from the brain, it travels from the muscles and the information travels from the muscle tissue such as skin toward the spinal cord. Spinal cord contains the circuit and control certain reflexes and the responses such as the involuntary movement your arm might make if your finger was touched to the flame. Circuit which present in your spine which may produce the complexes movements such as the walking. Even without the input from the brain, spinal nerve can coordinate all the muscles necessary to the walk. Spinal nerve are the mixed nerve that interact with the spinal cord to modulate the motor and the sensory information from the body. Spinal nerve is a mixture of the nerve which carries the motor, sensory and the automatic signals. Human body contains the 31 pair of the spinal nerve. These are group cervical, thoracic, lumbar, sacral and coccygeal. 8 pair of the cervical nerve, 12 pair of the thoracic nerve, 5 pair of the lumbar nerve, 5 pair of the cervical nerve and the 1 pair of the coccygeal nerve. Outside the vertebral column, discuss the function of spinal nerve. Spinal nerve sends the message to your brain. It controls the body movement and its function. Signal from your brain to other body part control your movement, breathing rate, heart rate. Second is the report senses to your brain. Signal from your body part is sent to your brain, like the sensation of the pressure and pain. Third one is the manage reflexes. Your spinal cord manages